Hello students, welcome back to the another video. In this video I will explain you about how to write a formal letter. Okay, so before this we should know about like what is a formal letter. When we talk about formal letter, so formal letter is basically a letter which is written to any official organization. किसी भी official organization को लिखा जाता है. In this we write it mostly in the printed form. It is not been demanded in the written form. In most of the cases formal letter is in printed form. Okay, but don't think that it is not in the handwritten form के अंदर भी होता है. Okay, so in both cases in a formal letter we basically write like a format which I have told you in the earlier videos. You can watch other videos for the format of formal letter, but in this video I will only tell you about how to write a formal letter, what type of the question will be asked. So let's start this video. So as you can see, a question is in front of you. Okay, I will zoom it and we will read this question. So as you can see, write a letter to the editor of the daily newspaper complaining about the construction work on your road in the middle of monsoon season, causing problems to the people of your locality. Okay students, so in this video we have to write a letter to the editor of a basic newspaper. एक एडिटर को हमको यहाँ पे एक लेटर लिखना है. ओके, विच हु हैव जस्ट बिल्ड अ कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क जिसने किया हुआ है ऑन द मिडल ऑफ द रोड, because as we all know that construction work cannot be done in the middle of the road. Why? Because in the middle of the road is just belong to the government, belong to the nation, so we cannot, it is not our personal property, so that we cannot construct anything on the road or anything on middle of the road. Okay, so how we can write? As you can see, a sample letter है ये आपके लिए. So first of all we have to write the address, sender's address. In this we have to write address of R. Okay, हमारा एड्रेस यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. And after writing that we have to write date. Date should be in the standard format. You have to write the date which is today. Okay, so let we guess like today is the date 23rd of December 2020. So we can write here 23rd of December 2020 because here is written 11th of June. So in place of this we can write the date which is today. Afterwards you can write to the editor in chief, Hindustan Times. As you can see, we are writing the letter to the Hindustan Times, so we are mentioning here to the editor in chief, Hindustan Times. And after this we can come below side the address of the editor should also be mentioned here. And after that we can write sir, because we are giving respect to the editor, so we can write here sir. If we are writing to the ma'am, so we can write ma'am. We can write here ma'am. Okay students, so this is the basic thing. Subject can be written. Subject, you can copy the subject from the question itself. Question के अंदर से you can find the subject. Construction work in our locality during monsoon causing us difficulty. ठीक है, तो इन द मानसून सीज़न के अंदर कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क अगर करा जाता है, इफ़ एनी कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क इज़ गोइंग ऑन इन मानसून, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो दैट इन मानसून सीज़न व्हाट हैपन्स इन मानसून सीजन, बहुत सारी बारिश होती है बिकॉज इट इज़ रेनी सीजन. एंड इन द रेनी सीजन इफ़ देयर आर एनी पिट होल्स इन द रोड, ऑन द रोड, सो इट कैन कॉज अस डिफिकल्टीज़. ओके, बिकॉज पानी भर जाएगा, वाटर लॉगिंग हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज़ द मेन कॉजेज. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी आर राइटिंग दैट टू द एडिटर इन द चीफ. So moving to the next thing, as you can see, first thing first. So what is here? What the thing is? Okay, so let's start. Although through the medium of your self-esteemed and respected daily, I wish to inform you the municipal authority of the difficulties the residents of my locality are facing due to the construction and repair work currently happening in our area. Monsoon season has started a few days ago and is compounding our problems. Okay, so here are we are writing the letter for our medium of self-esteemed and respected. Okay, we are giving the respect to the editor, and after wishing him respect, after we are informing him that municipal authorities जो है municipal authorities are creating difficulties for my locality and due to the construction work and repair work in the society. Okay, monsoon season has started, monsoon few days ago, and is compounding our problems. So because of the monsoon season, it is compounding our problems, means multiplying our problems, or we can say increasing our problems. The repair work take a bit second only. Here we are writing this paragraph. The repair work has been going for 5 weeks now and is falling way behind schedule. Okay, as per the schedules. आप जानते हैं गवर्नमेंट का जो वर्क होता है, the work of the government is not according to the schedule. Okay, as it is planned and it is not fulfilled. So the repair work was going on from 5 weeks and is falling way behind schedule. And now with current weather conditions, we are having persistent problems of water logging, because there are water logging in the society and flooding in our area, and flood भी हो रहा है. Another worry is about the accidents. Because of the water logging, accidents are also causing. Okay students, because of the water logging, accidents are also causing, and that may occur due to the debris lying on the ground. Diseases caused due to the water logging, because as you know, if in any of the area, if water is logged, so many kinds of mosquitoes, many kind of insects are being, and many kind of virus also get into the air. Okay, that can cause many kinds of diseases. So that's why he is complaining about that to the editor of Hindustan Times. And what in the next para he told, therefore I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities. Okay, with the help of your newspaper, hopefully you will be able to help us in drawing their attention and resolving this. Okay, so he wished that the authorities will help him in solving out from these problems and just get out from these problems. So at the earliest, thanking you, he in the last giving the complimentary clause that thanking you, yours sincerely, and after making the कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज ही सेइंग सिग्नेचर, ही इज़ राइटिंग सिग्नेचर, अपना सिग्नेचर वहाँ पे आपको लिख देना है जो भी आप लोग हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन राइट योर नेम इटसेल्फ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज द वीडियो इन विच आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट formal letter. I have given you the example of formal letter, and another video will be of informal letter. In that video I will explain you in a very brief and a very good manner that what do you mean by these all things. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and keep watching another video.